Starting the visit of this 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-story condo unit at the pool. So here's the pool. It's only open to condo owners or renters. From the pool is a short walk to the gazebo. And from the gazebo is a short walk to the unit. There it is. Across the other way from the gazebo is the front entrance, which is gated. So as we enter the unit, we come across a dining room table, living room area. Every room has an air conditioner and a fan. And to complete the first story, we have the kitchen area, which comes equipped with fridge, stove, microwave, just past the kitchen area is an exit to the rear where there is a private yard, perfect for storage of bicycles and such, as it's only accessible to this unit. And adjacent to the kitchen is the full-size washer dryer. Now, as we leave the first floor, we're going up the steps towards the second floor. As soon as we reach the top of the steps, we have a spare bathroom. It has a standalone shower, toilet, and sink. Now if we come here, you can see the stairs. Coming up, spare bathroom. The end of the short corridor to the left, we have a spare bedroom. It also has air conditioner and fan and twin stacked bunk beds. Along with closet space. And if we go to the right, at the end of the corridor, we have the master bedroom, also with a fan and an air conditioner. Large closet. And Master bathroom. Standalone shower, toilet, sink. That's it.